Good morning, students. Today I will tell you how to do rounding and adjusting. So this is another strategy of adding two numbers. We have learned how to add two different numbers in a universal way or in a simple way. But today I will tell you how to round and adjust these numbers before adding them. So today I will tell you how to do rounding and adjusting. So before explaining this strategy to you, I wanted to tell you that your concepts of the nearest round should be clear. For instance, if I'll talk about 8. So what is the nearest round of 8? The nearest round of 8 is 10. Why? Let me demonstrate this through a number line. For instance, this is 0 and this is 10. Okay, so we'll draw lines between them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 8 will come here. Now 8 is between 0 and 10. 0 is also a rounding number and 10 is also a rounding number. So how we will find out that which is the nearest round which will be closer to the given number? So 8 के closer कौन सा number है? Is it 0 or is it 10? Obviously 10 is the nearest rounding number of 8. So that is why the nearest round of 8 is 10. For instance, if there is a number 13, right? So 13 will come between two rounding numbers, which is 10 and 20. So where 13 will come? 10 will come over here. 10, 11, 12, 13. So it means that 13 will come over here. So 13 is closer to which rounding number? Whether it is closer to 10 or whether it is closer to 20. Obviously 13 is closer to 10. It means that the nearest round of 13 is 10. So before doing rounding and adjusting, the concept of nearest round should be clear. You can ask students that what is the nearest round of 18? They will say 20. You can ask them what is the nearest round of 85? The students will say 90. If there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 is at ones place, we will count backward. So it means the backward rounding number will be the nearest round. If 1, 2, 3, 4 will be at ones place, for instance it's 85. For instance it's 18. So 1 is at tens place and 8 is at ones place. So 8 is at ones place. It means if 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 will be at ones place, then we will count forward. For instance, if 8 will be at ones place, we will count forward. So the nearest round will be 20. If 5 will be at ones place, it means the nearest round is 90. The forward rounding number will be the nearest number. For instance, if the number is 83, so 8 stands for tens and 3 stands for ones, it means we will count back. So 8 is between 80 or 90. So since 3 is at ones place, it means that 80 will be the nearest round of 83. I hope the nearest round concept has been cleared. Now let's come back to rounding and adjusting. Now we can round the first number or we can round the second number. It's your choice. I will round the second number because it is comparatively easier. So 46 will come as it is. Then we will put the mark of addition. Now what is the nearest round of 8? So the nearest round of 8 is obviously 10. Now this is what we call rounding. We have round this number. Now we have to adjust this number because the nearest round of 8 is 10. And how many are we going to subtract from 10? So the answer will be 8. So we will subtract 2 from 10. So the answer will be 8. Now we have to solve these numbers. What is 46 plus 10? It's 56 minus 2. 56 minus 2 will be 54. So the answer will be 54. This is very easy. This is little tricky, but this is very easy. For instance, we'll say 26 plus 7. So by using rounding and adjusting number method, we will round the second number. The 26 will come as it is. Then we will put the sign of plus. The nearest round of 7 is 10. Now how many are we going to subtract from 10? So it will become 7. 3 obviously. Now we will solve it. 26 plus 10 is 36. 36 minus 3 is 33. If you will add 26 and 7, the answer will also be 33. So this is how we will add two numbers by using rounding and adjusting method. Now let's do a subtraction question. 46 minus 8. The whole process will remain same, but we'll just substitute the signs. For instance, 46 will come as it is. Now subtraction sign will come as we have to subtract these two numbers. The nearest round of 8 will be 10. Now now we have to adjust this number. So this time, instead of writing subtraction sign, we will write addition sign. We have to substitute the sign this time, but the method will remain same. So the nearest round of 8 is 10. So we have to subtract 2 from 10. So the answer will be 8. So we will write 2, but the sign will becomes plus. यहाँ पे minus का sign था और यहाँ पे plus का sign था. ठीक है? 46 minus 10 is 36. Plus 2 will come. So 36 plus 2 is 38. It means if you subtract 46 and 8, the answer will be 38. So this is called subtraction with the method of rounding and adjusting, and this is called addition with the method rounding and adjusting. I hope you have understood the method. Thank you.